YouTuber and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be drawing one of my favorite superheroes.
Ooh, Superman?
No.
Batman? Chicken Man?
Chicken Man? Who's Chicken Man? Today we're going to be drawing Spider-Man.
With great power comes great responsibility.
That's right. Let's go. The first step to drawing this character is to draw his legs. You draw 2 lines right there. And 2 more lines next to it. Then you do a curved line there and another curved line there. Then you do a line there that looks like that and a line going from there. Then to make his other arm, you do 1 long straight line there, another beneath it, and 2 lines there and there. Then, to finish the hand, do a bunch of these curved lines for fingers.
If you want, you can draw his fingers like he's about to shoot a web.
For this arm, you can draw 3 curved lines there for more fingers and a short line there. Then draw a line there that goes all the way up to the top of the page. 2 lines there. And a circle.
More like an oval.
And then the feet, you can do 2 lines that look like that. And on the bottom of those, draw 2 more lines. Then you can draw lines there. 2 lines there and there, 2 lines there, 2 lines there and there, and for the eyes, you can draw some lines that look like that, and a line at the bottom of those that connects to the top part.
Most spiders have 8 eyes, but Spider-Man only has 2.
You can make it thicker by redrawing those lines. Then, for one of the most important parts, you draw a small oval right there with 8 lines coming off of it.
Because if you only drew 6, he'd be Insect Man.
Then you draw 2 lines there. Next, I would suggest drawing a line there and a line there. Then, I would suggest getting a thinner pen to draw the lines on his costume. First, you can draw some there, which I would connect by drawing some small U-shapes, so it looks like a spider web.
Whoever created this costume really knew about web design.
Then, you draw some on the torso like that.
Spider-Man was first created in 1962. That makes him 60 years old. That's pretty old for a teenager.
Which you can connect by doing more of these lines.
What do you call Spider-Man after he lost his powers but still jumps from building to building?
What, Inky?
Peter Parkour.
Then you can draw the lines on the mask.
The eyes on Spider-Man's mask are made of reflective glass so that he can see everything around him that villains can't see his real eyes.
Then you're done. I'm going to color mine in time lapse.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size, catches thieves just like flies. Look out, here comes the Spider-Man. Is he strong? Listen, bud, he's got radioactive blood. Can he swing from a thread? Take a look overhead. Hey there goes the Spider-Man.
And that's all for your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. What do you think, Inky? Inky? Oh well. Well, if anybody has any suggestions for what I should draw next, you can email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Thanks! See you next time!
If your spidey sense is tingling, it's telling you to keep on drawing.
You'll find a Spider-Man.